This is the original Jolik shot. Brim, brim, brim. Pew. Do you hear that?
So me name that on the menu. Select a wheel it back. Me cook the rhythm same way me cook the pot hot. Rice and beans for the queen, for the king, for the pasta. Everybody know me are the rice and beans master. Me step in at the kitchen like a Dan on the mic. Rice a bubble, beans a shuffle, everything nice. Put a little coconut milk, dash a little spice. The aroma alone make the neighbor want slice. Me no need no chef at, me no need no timer. Me have the fire burn steady like a reggae timer. Ranking Tyan style, me lyrical diner. Rice and beans turn the dance in a one recliner. Me are the rice and beans master. Cook it slow, then me turn up the blaster. Rubber up flavor, them can't cook faster. Everybody shout, chef for the pasta. But me say, me are the rice and beans master. Me seasoning wicked, me flavor disaster. No curry goat, no jerk can surpass. Yeah, me turn the pot sound like sound system rasta. Yellow man style, me dip on the beat. Me cook the rice neat, beans them complete. Some man chat big, but them can't compete. Them rice come dry like them lose the heat. Me tell them, real chef no rush, we sim up on the rhythm. Put the time on the scotch bonnet with the rhythm. When me stir the pot, me talk to the spirit. Rubber up cooking, whole yard man feel it. Me say taste it selector, pull it one time. The spoon have more bass than a studio online. Me no need microwave, me have the sun to shine. Me kitchen turn dance, all pure good time. Me are the rice and beans master. Cook it slow, then me turn up the blaster. Rubber up flavor, them can't cook faster. Everybody shout, chef for the pasta. Me say me are the rice and beans master. From Kingston straight go Manchester. No man can taste me flavor. Me style sweet like sugar with the savior. So when you see me with the pot and spoon, me the on the rhythm cooking the tune. Rubber dub chef from the sun to the moon. Rice and beans run the dance all soon. We love, pull up. Master pan the kitchen set again.